Hey y'all, it's Laura, and this is my How to Kill a Kit with Style February kit, and it's a mix of things from my stash. It is mostly based on two collections. One is Chamel's Little by Little, and the other is My Mind's Eye Well Hello. So an older collection and a fairly new collection, kind of mixed together. And I've pretty much pulled everything I had for those two collections and then added to it. So to start with the papers, because the papers are my favorite part. So I have all of the papers, I think. These are the papers that I have from the Well Hello collection. Huge variety. I was actually given these papers. I did not purchase them. I was given them as a thank you when my one and only layout was published in Scrapbooking Cards today. So this was a gift, and I was very excited to receive it. Some beautiful colors in this collection. Lots of pinks and blues. Got this beautiful orangish yellow. And I thought it would be a nice change from last month's kit, which was a little bit more subdued and just, you know, a couple of papers were busy. See, this one's missing a little corner. This is from Chamel Little by Little. And I think most of the rest of these are from Chamel Little by Little. Some of them don't have branding strips on them, so they may not be quite 12 by 12, and that's okay. And I just went ahead and pulled everything I had from that collection so that I can try to get it used. This is a gorgeous collection. Absolutely gorgeous. And I have been hoarding it for quite a while. Love these! So, I am very excited to get started with that. This is the specialty paper for Little by Little, I believe. And it doesn't have a label on it, so I'm just assuming that's the case. Absolutely gorgeous floral. Love this paper. I have this one, which has feathers. I probably have every paper from this collection. I have a couple copies of this one, so this was the back and this is the front. And the same with this paper. I have several of this one. Whether or not I use all of them doesn't really matter to me, but I really love this paper in particular. And I kind of use this as the basis for the kit. Got some cameras. This is a cool swatch page. We have this one. And then this one is from Bella Boulevard, Plaids and Dotty. And I thought a nice black would be a nice thing to just toss in here for a little contrast. Goes well with the Well Hello kit. And so that's the papers. Lots of papers. I'm hoping to get quite a few projects done this month. And yeah, so lots of papers will be needed. I am a heavy paper user. So I've got the Well Hello 6x12 sticker sheet. I have, let's see, these thickers. I have two sets of the thickers, and they are from the Little by Little. They're called Magic, and they're from the Little by Little collection. And then I have the Little by Little ephemera. I have one unopened and one opened. I have these little thickers that I thought would be a good mix in for subtitles. I grabbed the Vicky Bouton sticker book because the color scheme is very similar. See that? To what we've got happening in the kit. And then I grabbed some things from an old Click kit that I had taken apart. So I have some Pretty Little Studio stuff. This is Blooming Hearts washi. Then I have Savannah Dreams. This is a transparency. Then labels and word strips. And more labels. And these are clear stickers and some alphas and some more clear stickers, all from the Savannah Dreams collection. And then this is the Click Kit stickers that came in the kit that went with this. And this is Freckled Fawn washi stickers and Savannah Dreams little titles. So I thought that would give me several title options, and I like having options. And then this also came in that kit, so it's a kind of a mix of a kit and a collection, I guess. And it's just some puffy stickers. And of course this tag that I didn't get to use last time, I'm going to try to use this time. And this half-used thicker set called Royal is on the docket as well. Grab some washi tape from my stash. So we've got navy, yellow, pink, and gold. And I've also added in our product focus for this month that I'm going to try to make a dent in. The product focus for this month will be wood veneer and cork. I have a lot. I freely admit that I am a hoarder of the wood veneer and cork. So I have a bowl that I keep on my desk filled with wood veneer and cork that I hope to get myself to use. And I also am including a couple of things from my stash: Freckled Fawn cork stars, some color cast designs wood words, this gorgeous Freckled Fawn floral design, some Studio Calico cork pieces, stickers. I have these giant words. I have happy and bless and dream and imagine and cute. Not sure where those came from, but I do have them. And then I have a 12 by 12 piece of cork that I wanted to incorporate as well. So here is my kit for February. We should be able to get a lot of layouts done, and I think a pretty good variety of layouts done as well. So yeah, I'm excited to get started. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my kit, and if you were working with this kit, how many layouts could you get done? I am going to say 20. 20 layouts is my goal for the month. Until next time, bye!